Now, if you look on the left here, you're going to see this pulley system, front left-hand side of the bus. Good American-made pulley system, still works to this day. If you look carefully, you'll see the cables spanning across the Black Canyon. Now, I point that out to you because we're going to talk more about that in just a minute. But for right now, the Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Bridge. Now, this is the second largest concrete arched bridge in the Northern Hemisphere. This thing is 890 feet up off the Colorado River. It spans 1,600 feet across. This thing took 3 years to build, by the way. Back here at the Hoover Dam, the wind gets up to 80 miles an hour. One day it just knocked down all the cranes and made a big mess. They had to put it all back the way they had it so they could finish the bridge. So right-hand side of the bus, this is your first look at the Colorado River this morning. Now remember, that snowmelt runoff from the Colorado Rockies travels through the Grand Canyon, into Lake Mead, through the Hoover Dam, and eventually makes its way out to the Gulf of California.